In front of me is a Honor 7A, and today I will show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the device. So before we get started, you will need a cable that you use for charging. Plug it into your computer and have it ready somewhere on the side. And as you can see, I already have one ready right here. So once you have that, you can power off the device. So hold the power key and select power off, and once more, and wait for it to shut off. Now once the device is off, you want to take the cable, plug it in. So there you go. As you can see, it's charging. And now you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. So volume down and power. And there it is. We're now in the Fastboot mode. Now I'm gonna unplug it, but you should not, considering normally you would use a high suit for this, so it needs to be connected to your computer. And as you can see, it tells you on the message, please connect USB cable to your computer and open a high suit. So the program that this will use. And yeah, that is how you would access the Fastboot mode. And if you want to leave it, all you need to do is just hold the power key till the device shuts off. And as you can see, we're now back in the Android. So that is how you'd access and also leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.